Hey Stunning Fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. Today you will be watching us make homemade laundry detergent. The ingredients include 1 cup of Epsom salt, 3 cups of washing soda, which is also laundry booster, 3 cups of baking soda, and a half a cup of sea salt. You can also add in 40 to 50 drops of essential oil or fragrance oil if you want to add a scent to the laundry detergent. The Epsom salt can be kind of chunky, so we recommend using your fingers to break it up. This laundry detergent is great because it doesn't have all the extra chemicals that are in the store-bought detergents. It's also great for people that may have allergies or sensitive skin. To use this detergent, you can add 1 tablespoon per load or 2 tablespoons if your fabric has stains. This recipe makes over 100 loads. We hope that you enjoyed this video and we will see you next time.